Continuous flow manufacturing. Welcome to the unstoppable world of continuous flow manufacturing, where production runs 24/7 and efficiency takes the driver's seat. In continuous flow manufacturing, the production line never stops. Materials move steadily through a highly automated process to produce large quantities of a single product. Think of it like a marathon. There's no stopping until the finish line, and in this case, the finish line is high-volume output. Continuous flow manufacturing is ideal for industries with high demand for standardized products. Think steel production, where sheets are rolled continuously, or oil refineries, where fuel is processed non-stop. This method is built for speed, efficiency, and minimal downtime. But here's the catch. Flexibility is not its strong suit. You can't just stop the line to make tweaks. Of course, even the smoothest flows have their bumps. One of the biggest challenges? Equipment failure. When one part of the line stops, the entire process grinds to a halt. And let's not forget the sensitivity to disruptions. Whether it's a faulty sensor or a power outage, continuous flow manufacturing can't afford downtime. Take paper production, for example. Giant rolls are created in one unbroken process, moving from pulp to finished sheets. Or consider fuel processing in an oil refinery. Crude oil flows through a complex network of pipes, being refined into gasoline, diesel, and more, all without stopping. Despite its challenges, continuous flow manufacturing is a powerhouse of efficiency, delivering massive output with remarkable speed. By leveraging tools like predictive maintenance and real-time monitoring, you can keep the flow going and the productivity soaring.